least they're doing it. I say the glass is half full.
Yeah, my wife always says I'm negative Nancy.
Well, quit it. Like Bob Newhart says, stop it.
My kids and my wife started like going clean and whatever.
Now they did bust me over at Tempe. I was there having a demonstration when idiot Obama was wanting to go into Syria.
Yeah.
And so the university kids and stuff were having a big anti-Syria demonstration over there. So me and Nanette went over there, and we were the only ones from our group, you know. But
got covered, I'm sure.
yeah, well, I don't know, but we joined in with them, you know, and then they started marching. They went down to Mill Avenue, you know, and so I got in the very back of the line, and I turned my sign around so it said overpasses.org, so it looked like the whole bunch was with us, you know. But then when we got up to Mill Avenue and they crossed, I was wearing that mask and I was wearing that hat, and my hat fell off when halfway across the crosswalk. So I just reached down and picked it up. Before I could even stand up, man, that freaking cop had my wrist in his hand. He had a grip on me. I said, "What's going on, man?" "Just picking up my hat." "You're obstructing traffic." And they threw me in jail.
Yeah.
No, so I went to trial over it, and the freaking judge found me guilty too. I said, "Man, this is First Amendment, you know." But all they wanted was their money. But they offered me to. They offered to let me get off without any fine or any jail time if I just copped the plea. I said, "I'm not guilty, man. You guys are suppressing the First Amendment." And so I went to trial over it. I got a fine out of it, but that's it. But no way I was going to lay down and let them do that. I didn't have any money to appeal it, but I left a message with the ACLU, see if they didn't even call me back. Oh, they will if they're on their side. I got him to take a case for me when I was in high school. I got kicked out of school because I was wearing a peace symbol. And yeah. And so they went to court and got the dress code overturned. But that's the only time I thought.
Get out of here.
all the time. It does. It's not our fault. Happened to me that day, 2 days ago. Somebody ran right into somebody else's butt. They need to be paying attention to the driving. See, and they will use that as an excuse to try to get you to leave, saying it's going to distract drivers and cause a wreck. And you just tell them that's not true, and it's not my problem, you know. I mean, I don't try to cause them, but if it happens, it happens, you know. It hadn't been my sign; it'd been something else. So that's just a thin excuse for them to suppress the First Amendment. They just don't want you on their overpasses. Now that is a good overpass that we go down there. You ever been to that one? Really good parking. And on a nice, quiet residential street, and good exposure. A lot of traffic. I usually do it at the evening rush hour. Man. Because, you know, that's I-10, and sometimes in the evening on I-10, it's backed up clear to Goodyear, you know. Nah. I'm not wearing my glasses. I wouldn't care if I saw it. I'd just laugh.
The mask is good.
What's that?
Yeah.
Oh.
People have to look at you 3 times to know what you meant.
True rabble rouser. Should probably be careful. Good morning.
You're right, that's exactly where he goes. You're one of those losers that voted for him.
Yeah. yet, but